guys, it's Gabby here, and here's our new clean cage. We got some seagrass twists in here. We got these little apple wafer thingies. Don't know what they are. And we got their pellet bowls filled up with a little papaya right there. We got their berry glazed sticks right there. And all I need to do now is fill up their water bottles, give them their veggies and grass, and we'll be good. And then we have the pigaloos right there. We have their veggie bowl. Seems like they're happy pigs. And they love these very unglazed stick things. So yeah, let's give them their grass. Ugh. I'm gonna clean up the room. There we go. So here's their new and improved clean cage right there. I'm gonna put this in there. Yeah, I can see a nice beast on them now. There we go. So sorry for the bad quality, but so here's the pig's cage. We have to clean up the room now. Oh. Yes. You're all happy. I have to vacuum the place. It's nasty. I'm gonna have to clean the room. So, yeah. Here's my video for today, and hope you guys like it. I'll probably have a video later today, or tomorrow, or maybe next weekend, but yeah. Hope you guys like my video, and you know. So yeah, say bye, pigs. Hi. Aren't you cute? I'll let you in once we get the new pig. Can't wait for her, so yeah. And I'll be making a video on that once I get my new pig. Well, we will be getting her very soon, though, so yeah. Hope you guys like my video, comment, subscribe, and goodbye for now.